All right, today it is December 14th. I just had my 19th rally yesterday. I received all my parts. I have received my fender, front bumper, rear bumper, front lip for the front bumper, the rear lip for the rear bumper. I bought the front bumper with all the accessories. Comes with the kit, fog lights and whatnot. I got the Mugan RR size skirts. Um, I got the fender. The only thing I'm missing is my headlights. Um, so what I'm gonna try to possibly do, I'm not too sure what I'm gonna be able to get done. I don't have most of my tools here. I don't have anything to mount the lip with. Uh, so I'll see how far I get. I figured since the front is a mission, the rear might be simplest, but I think the rear was in an accident as well. Obvious. Um, so we will see what happens. I'm gonna lift the rear and I'm gonna get started. Let's see how far we get today. We got a late start today. It's already 2 o'clock in the afternoon. It is daylight savings time, so it starts to get dark in a couple of hours already. Yeah, I do have some lighting. Yeah, I do have some lighting. We will most definitely see how far we get today. Alright, so there's the bumper. Now I'm going to install the rear lip. Oh, it's hanging on there. I didn't even see that. And then we'll see how it looks and we'll go from there. Alright, and it looks pretty good other than the fat ass gap that it has there. Oh man, it has a fat gap, but I don't know. I'm thinking of maybe adding a couple of spacers up here to kind of stretch it out. Because if it were to be a little bit stretched out, you see, I think we would be able to achieve that. But the more you stretch out or push in this way, it bends more here. So if we add, I think, some spacers just to relieve this tension here and kind of pull it this way, we might be able to get away with that, but damn it. Womp, womp, womp. Oh, man. But other than that, it's, I guess, coming together. Alright, so I'm going to try to assemble as much as I can of the front bumper. And then I think I'm going to just load everything up to the Durango, or take the Durango to work and just leave it at work so it's not taking up room here. It's going to rain this weekend, so I'll just leave my car over there at work and I'll bring the Durango home so that way the car doesn't get wet. Heck yeah. So let's see what we can get done on this front bumper. I don't think I'll be able to mount it today. I don't know, it might be a possibility that I might. We will see. We'll see how far we get today. I've been saying that all day. Alright, so I got it built. Got the fog lights in there, got the upper grill, the bottom grill. Everything is held by zip ties. Zip tie, zip ties, zip ties. I don't have any of the plastic retainers to hold anything in, and the little clips. They didn't provide the little metal clips with the screws to hold the fog lights in. So everything is just zip tied on there. Well, fuck, man. I think I'm gonna lift this car and drop this bumper. How about that? And while we're at it, we might as well replace the fender. I mean, shoot, we're already there. You have to drop the bumper to do the fender, so fuck it. Alright, and there is the old fender. And I'm gonna go ahead and install the new one. Heck yeah. We have a nice pile of collection of old parts over here. Oh, I need to get that front license plate off still. Cause Cali PD don't play. No, they don't. Right, and I put the front lip and the front chin, this bottom piece, This is the chin from the FG2. You're being resurrected, girl. You're slowly being resurrected. So a lot of these parts are from the FG2. Well, not the front end, but a lot of parts that are inside this car are from that car. I even pulled the stickers from the hood. Heck yeah. The fitment is looking so good. Oh, I love it. Damn, that is looking aggressive. Shoot, doggy. I love it. And here we are the next day. It looks freaking good. I really dig it. Wow. Ooh. What's going on here? I do have new bumper brackets on the way as well. Fat ass gap. I don't know what's going on there, but it is what it is. We'll try to get that fixed up. Shit, yeah, it's looking clean. Alright, so it is now Tuesday. I'm going to remove these Dev Sports and I'm going to try to put those Mugan RRs. And we will see how far we get. I have to take off the wheels and everything. Alright, it fits pretty good. It just kind of hits right here in this little corner on the rear. So I'm going to just file it down and just make improvements as I go. And there it is. If I press it up against it now, fits nice and flush. Beautiful. Sweet, so I'm going to make my holes and then we won't get this sucker mounted. Sweet, and there is the first one. Heck yeah. I'm gonna do the other one. Alright, so I need to do some shaving here. I did some shaving on the other side. I did some shaving here. Oh no, what the freak? It cracked. I guess maybe I should not have done shaving there. And then did some shaving here. And still has a gap, but it's whatever. And I did some shaving here. And I did some shaving here. But it's coming out pretty cool. Put it on the brackets with the bolts holding onto the frame of the car. Makes them nice and solid. Sweet. And coming together though. I definitely like it. Alright, and I'm at home already and I got the new headlights, so I'm gonna go ahead and slap them on. I got the fog lights wired up, hooked up to the switch, and now I'm gonna flip those headlights. Yeah. Heck yeah. Alright, it is now the next day and there it is. It is looking fantastic. And like I mentioned, I did the fog lights, I did the headlights. Yeah, it looks freaking phenomenal. Definitely coming together.